LegalNature. Features, strengths, weaknesses. LegalNature provides a streamlined online platform for creating legal documents without needing a lawyer for every situation. Key features include a wide range of customizable templates covering business formation, real estate, personal, and financial matters. They offer LLC formation, operating agreements, wills, power of attorney documents, and even eviction notices. LegalNature emphasizes ease of use with a guided interview process, asking specific questions to populate the template with your information. This is geared towards individuals and small business owners who need basic legal documentation but aren't yet ready or able to afford personalized legal counsel. Pricing operates on both a subscription and paper document basis. Subscriptions provide unlimited access to their template library, while individual documents are available for a one-time fee, offering flexibility depending on your needs. A major strength is its accessibility. The user interface is intuitive, even for those with no legal background. The step-by-step instructions and explanations simplify complex legal concepts, making it easier to complete documents accurately. Another advantage is the cost-effectiveness, significantly cheaper than hiring an attorney for routine paperwork. Furthermore, LegalNature provides excellent customer support, with prompt email and phone assistance if you encounter any issues. However, LegalNature also has limitations. The templates are generic and may not address complex or unique legal situations. It's crucial to understand that using these documents is not a substitute for legal advice from a qualified attorney, especially in nuanced cases. Customization options, while present, are sometimes limited compared to what a lawyer can provide. Another potential weakness is the lack of legal review. While LegalNature ensures the documents are legally sound in general, they don't offer personalized reviews of your specific responses to ensure they meet your specific needs and jurisdiction requirements. Consider consulting with a lawyer if your situation is complex, high stakes, or if you need tailored advice. In conclusion, LegalNature is a valuable tool for individuals and small businesses seeking affordable and accessible legal document creation. Its ease of use, extensive template library, and excellent customer support are definite strengths. However, it's not a replacement for legal counsel and is best suited for straightforward situations requiring basic documentation. Use it judiciously and be aware of its limitations, especially when dealing with intricate legal matters. Ultimately, LegalNature offers a practical solution for simple legal needs, but remember to seek professional legal advice when the stakes are high or the situation demands personalized attention.